promo right there.
Yeah, some
Hands-on
groovy music.
learning. Yeah, we're taking information from the textbook and helping students understand it at a deeper level.
And at Boiling Springs High School, this concept is helping make sure every student is successful. In this edition of Steam Power, First Alert meteorologist Chrissy Kohler is taking us inside their lab.
Every student succeeds. That's the main goal of Project Lead the Way.
More of a physical learner, so it helps a lot.
The program emphasizes hands-on learning so the often complex concepts in science, technology, education, and math, or STEM, are easier to understand.
In the textbooks, like, you see the diagrams and like the cartoon pictures, but like when you actually dissect it, it's like a better visual of what you're learning about.
At Boiling Springs High School, the program ranges from aerospace engineering.
There's a radio tower, and it will have these, it'll send out radio signals in all directions, and then you can lock on to one of these. There are 360 different radio signals being sent out for every degree.
Okay.
And then you can lock on to one of these, or you can tune into the radio frequency for it, and then it will kind of give you what direction it is from you. And so that's roughly how you can navigate without GPS.
To nursing basics.
We're taking vital signs. One of the units in this class is we have a fake patient who we have to kind of come up with a diagnosis with them. So we have to figure out all of their vitals and what that means for their health.
And everything in between.
The people that were visiting the amusement park, they were like having problems like with the walking from ride to ride. So we built them a cable car to get from ride to ride.
In some cases, students are getting an early start preparing for their future.
I want to be a cardiologist, and so you have to learn, about the heart and muscle and how all of that muscle helps, pump the blood and get it to your body so you can stay living.
And in others, there's more of a real-world application.
Gives us like an idea of the kind of like labs and stuff that we have to do and test for people with other like problems. It was hard for him to breathe. So he's kind of just like, oh my gosh, it's really hard to breathe. So it gives us like an idea, like a different perspective of the people.
And even those life skills you need, no matter what field you are in.
Some of us disagreed, some of us agreed. And when you have disagreements, you have more ideas.
In many cases, the students get to enjoy learning.
The goal is to get familiar with these structures so you can identify if something's wrong with these structures.
And even get a little awestruck.
Just getting a model of it is it's astounding. It's astonishing to think that this right now is millions. It goes all through your body and it makes up who you are.
At Boiling Springs High School, I'm First Alert meteorologist Chrissy Kohler.